Cut the flexographic plate to the appropriate size. Clean the surface of the plate cylinder thoroughly. Apply double-sided tape to the surface of the plate cylinder. Press the double-sided tape tight on the roller. Trim off the excess tape. Smooth out the tape evenly. Peel off the release liner from the double-sided tape. Place the release liner back over the tape to facilitate plate mounting. Place the Flexo plate on the exposed tape. Align it according to the registration marks on the screen. Adjust until the marks are properly aligned. Once aligned, press down to fix the Flexo plate. Remove the release liner used for positioning. Rotate the plate cylinder to fully adhere the Flexo plate. Apply tape along the edges of the Flexo plate to prevent lifting. Cover the excess double-sided tape with tape. Remove any parts of the tape covering the plate surface.